Here's how to fix Snapchat support code SS06. Now, if you open up Snapchat and you're getting this message, SS06 device banned, learn more. Essentially, this means your specific Snapchat account on your device is banned. But there are some things that you can do to fix that. Let's head into your settings. We'll scroll down to the very bottom and we'll tap on apps and then scroll down to the very bottom until we find Snapchat on this list. Tap on Snapchat. Tap location and switch it to always. Allow Snapchat location services essentially allows it to know where you are and that you are the owner of this account. The next thing we will do is we'll go all the way back out of here to the beginning. We'll tap on general, scroll to the bottom, we'll tap on VPN and device management. And if you have a VPN turned on, make sure to turn that off and just connect to your local Wi-Fi network or your local cell network. Now, after you've done that, we can go back out of here. We'll scroll up until we get to iPhone storage. And from here, we'll scroll down until we get to Snapchat. And we'll offload this app and reinstall it. This reinstalls the version of Snapchat to the latest version, again, fixing a lot of bugs or glitches on there. If you go through all these steps and you're still not able to log in, unfortunately, you just have to wait until that ban is lifted. Sometimes it takes some days, weeks, or sometimes it's permanent.